leg boneless, okay? Top side, first top side. Yan ang leg boneless. Ano na siya, yung quarter. Carlito tension.
Tomorrow afternoon है tension बस.
Ronaldo, good sleeping. Tomorrow afternoon.
Just no sleeping.
Sleeping, Gistoni, very fast sleeping Gistoni.
Sleeping?
1:30, 2 o'clock sleeping. Very fast. No, say Carlito wake up. Shit, karena kaming disturbance.
Early morning wake up, coffee, huh? Drinking
Coffee. 7 o'clock, 6:30 sleeping. Wake up.
Again sleeping?
After maybe 10 o'clock sleeping, 9:30 like that.
After what time wake up?
Wake up 1 o'clock. Disturb, Ronaldo disturb.
No eating?
Eating. Yan ang pag-boneless. Totally boneless yan. Full. Karena too much shooting, homemaking this one. Chops, huh? Speaking why exception? I'm speaking here 6-3 balance morning. Why exception?
Maybe this too. This production only mistake, eh? Yes. Price okay, price barabar.
No, this one only adjusting, but karna very hit. I'm speaking you adjust by making one carton now.
Transfer no problem.
Yes. No, transfer no. Why this one original cutting kan ba yan? Okay? Okay, fresh beef. Thank you.